Meaning of infectiousness.
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 Infectiousness. Infectiousness refers to the ability of a pathogen, such as a virus or bacterium, to spread and cause infection in other individuals. It is determined by various factors, including the virulence of the pathogen, its mode of transmission, and host susceptibility. The higher the infectiousness of a pathogen, the more easily it can be transmitted from person to person and cause an outbreak. Understanding the infectiousness of a pathogen is important for developing effective strategies to prevent and control its spread, such as vaccination, quarantine, and social distancing measures.